guys, I'm here. I'm so here. Actually, on the right, and the skirts. This here. This. What's this? This arrays. This tita bed. This a tita bed here. This my bed. Look, so ready for my bed. Look, so wonderful. So wonderful house. And so okay. Hello, what are you doing to here? I use doors, and I have to talk and Tita is here. Hi guys. And I'm talking about here. Actually, guys, I'm sitting down here. Have a TV on. I have a TV here also. And guys, all guys here. I have birthday my mom. I have our own house, and you see the house and all the tita. Hi. Hi, come back. My name is Scarlet. Birthday today, my mom.
Today is mom's birthday.
Yes.
What's your favorite? Your tita or tito?
Tita. Yes, I love tita.
I love you too, honey. Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Happy Saturday. So yes, it's Saturday today. And today's video, I am going to take you guys with me on my weekend here in Cebu. So I'm actually leaving now. Papa is waiting for me outside. So I am just gonna check everything, make sure it's all good here in the terrace. I still have the blankets there that I washed yesterday. It rained, so that's why it's not dry. So we'll lock everything. I'm gonna check the gas right here. Yeah, it's locked, and I'll close the curtains like that. The room, it's locked. Okay, yeah, I think we're good. I'll check the second bedroom. I'll close the curtain as well, unplug everything, and close. Okay, yeah, I think I'm ready. So come on, let's go drive to the city, guys. Hello everyone. We are ready to go to the city. Papa will ride with me because he's going to my grandma's house. I'm very purple today. In the camera it doesn't look purple, but it is. So I'm gonna check everything first. I have phone, cameras, everything. Okay, so let's go. Let's go, guys. Oh my goodness, it's super hot. Even if the sun is not really out, but it's so humid. Okay, bye Brownie. I shall be back. Let's go. Just waiting for Papa. He just closed the gate. You ready? Seatbelt di mo. Hoy, kalimut oy tangtang ako rin mo jacket. Kalimut ide. Alright guys, let's go. I made it here in the city. It's very gloomy. Oh my gosh, I think it's gonna rain pretty soon. But I am here in mom's workplace and I'm gonna have a lunch here, which is the gala, my favorite. So I was not able to share with you when I was eating my lunch because I was too hungry. So I had the gala for lunch. And right now I'm here at Bingo's place. I think she's sleeping, so I'm just gonna go in. I just parked right here beside the road and I think it's okay. I don't know, I'm in the corner, but I think they'd be able to see that there is a car and they have to maneuver a bit. So I was not able to vlog the entire weekend, and that's because it was raining in the city. So we ended up going to IL Corso and we met Lynn, Bro, and my twin and Vingo. We had dinner there. We had a really good time together, just talking about life. Yeah, anyway, it's Monday now and I'm back here in the house. I went to SM Cebu this morning, by the way, to pick Razzle up, and I also got a few groceries which I'm going to share with you guys in a few. Sorry, I was not able to share with you guys how did my weekend went, but let me know what did you guys do on weekends. I'd love to know that. Comment it below. Anyway, I think it's 1 p.m. and I'm really hungry, so we actually dropped by Delish. If you guys can remember, Tom and I went there to meet Grace and John, which are the owners of Delish Deli. So I decided to get their pizza because I liked it. So this is how it looks. Ta-da! Razzle already ate a few slices. So yeah, let me just eat, guys. By the way, guys, did you enjoy Scarlet's vlogging? I think she really likes it. Sometimes she just really want to get my phone or my camera because she wants to vlog. I think she's gonna pursue vlogging. Let's eat, guys. Bon appetit. Ta-da! Look at this. You remember last time I decided to do the flowers? It died already. We need to get new ones. This pizza is good. I actually like the pizza when it's not hot. I know that's weird, right? But I prefer it like this. Yeah. So good. To do a quick grocery haul for you guys. I went to SM again today to get all these because that's where I picked up Razzle. Okay, let's start with a lot of trash bags. Ta-da! I badly need this one because I ran out. And then I have here dragon fruit. This is my favorite. There you go. I got here squash, lemon. Oh, speaking of lemon, I forgot to get honey as well because I want to do like honey lemon kind of juice. I have here my favorite Doritos. Ta-da! And Doritos won't be complete without salsa, so I also decided to get one. And then I have here sukang pinakurat. There you go. And we have here eggplant, onions, garlic. I have here chicken breast, and I have here ramyun. I decided to get ramyun because sometimes I crave for one. Dishwashing liquid. I have some multi-purpose cleaner for the toilet. I have here Dove soap, toothpaste, a lot of wet wipes as well. So I have these ones. And then we have here powder soap and fabric conditioner. Last but not least, we have here bread and my fave Gatorade, the white one. Ta-da! And the total of those is 2,272 pesos. There you go. Finally received my order. This is actually a decor, a house decor that I wanted to put in that wall over there that's very empty, and one for my bedroom maybe. So I have this really big package and it actually has a fragile sticker all over it because it has a mirror inside. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the shipping people did not ruin it. It's actually a really big one and I'm quite happy that it arrived when I was in my mom's workplace. So then I was able to bring it here in the countryside because I don't think mom would be able to like bring this in the motorbike because it's just so big. Oh no! Guys, what the fudge? Oh no. It is broken. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it. The mirror is broken in the middle. That's not good. So the second one looks like this. Obviously, I will have to like untangle them because they're like so all over the place. So aside from the mirror that was broken, it also comes with this one, by the way. Wait. Let me show you how does the new decor that I ordered looks like. Ta-da! Wait, I need to put it up or I'll put you guys down. Hold on. Okay. Ta-da! You guys can not see it still. But yeah, that's how it looks. What do you guys think? It's nice, right? I don't know, you guys cannot really see it that good in the camera, but it looks really good in person. And then the other one, like this, ta-da! And then the mirror should be like right here in the middle. And then it has the shelf over here where you could put, I don't know, like stuff. I'm gonna have to wait for Atan, which is my brother-in-law, so that he could put this one up since I don't have the drill. It's already 4:30 in the afternoon and I'm heading out because we're gonna go to Razzle's farm. I don't have one, right? As you know, our mini garden is still ongoing. I'm still waiting for the seedlings. So we're gonna get spinach, moringa leaves, and I don't know what else is available. So we are now walking, going to Razzle's farm. Hi! Hello! It's her day off today, that's why she's here. We do have a lot of dogs with us. Brownie is here with us as well, and Razzle. Hoy! Pag-shore sa life!
It's my farm. This is my flower farm.
This is where we have to step on.
What do you call this one? Baby's breath.
Baby's breath. Wow! Look at that. Oh, this is nice. Baby's breath. It's called aster in Bisaya. Oh, let's get moringa leaves. Look. We have a lot of moringa leaves. And then we're gonna get a few leaves. This is how you get it. You have to lean it on the side if you have my height. But if you're taller, then there's no need for that. But actually, this is very good, you know, to put in the vegetable soup.
Yeah.
Because it's fresh. This is what I like about living in the province, because you can grow your own vegetable. That's why I really need to get some seedlings so that I don't keep coming back here in Razzle's farm. Okay, I think this is enough.
Kanara?
And now, yeah, now we're gonna get spinach or alugbati in Bisaya. Razzle's gonna get it for me. Look, this is the spinach, guys. Ta-da!
Yeah.
There you go.
Wow.
I like the smaller ones, you know, because it's good. There you go. Ah, you have sibuyas as well. Ay, sibuyas. Singan ano nang?
Yeah.
Sili. They have chili as well. It's not spicy, right? Yeah. I'll just put it in the utan. I'm gonna make utan. Yes. Utan or vegetable soup. Okay, we get more of the spinach. We have John Mark here. Hi.
Hello.
Ah. Hello. He's not shy anymore. He was very shy before, you know. Saika, you didn't say hi. Ah, the confident one. Look, guys, we have a lot of spinach here in Razzle's farm. We are back home, guys. Look. We have it in here. All of the veggies that I need for our dinner tonight. The lights? Oh, it's over there. These are all of the stuff we got. Moringa leaves, spinach, and some chili. So we still have some dessert from my sister's birthday. And Razzle actually loves dessert. I know that. I know that about her. We still have mango float.
Yay!
Is it here? Oh.
Yeah.
Mango float.
Where is your...
Later. And then...
Where is your...
Huh? It's not there. Over there, look.
Ah.
Below, yeah. And we still have cake. Chocolate cake. So, come here. Let's eat. I mean, you eat. Because I'm full. Seika, come here. You eat as well.
Thank you.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Seika, give Seika as well. Uy, hala na. Nagkamot mo sa giyahan. Where's the spoon?
Ikaw na naman eh.
No, my sister in there.
Yeah. Yummy! Thank you.
Belated happy birthday na.
Happy. Belated. Happy birthday.
This sounds good as well. Give her some chocolate cake. Alright, so while you're eating that, I'm gonna prepare the utan. It's already 6 p.m. The gang are here, the Tres Marias. So sis is doing the spinach. And look, these are actually good to make as a, what do you call this one? The dynamite stick. Anyway, we have here balot, not totally balot. This is penoy. Ta-da! How much is this? 15 pesos? Yeah. She's already eating. I was actually waiting for Scarlet so we could eat this together. And now she started eating. She's gonna eat this all. Is it good, the vinegar? It's just an egg, a regular egg. And they give you this really nice vinegar, so it's really good. I'm gonna get some salt. Tabi ko din na. Gusto ko mabus mo.
Ano ko itabi?
Is that Scarlet? Oh no!
Oh no!
Scarlet is here. She's gonna eat the balot now.
The balot gang.
Where is this little lady?
Wow!
Hi, Pangga! How are you?
Yes.
Please, tita. Kiss
Where did you
more.
bring that? Uy!
Please, mama. Hey, what are you bringing? Oh, look at this.
Kasi gahatag anak.
Be-
Mana, kurot
What's
ni
this?
Ron. Kurot ni Ron.
Do you want some balut, Pinoy?
Put your bag there. Isa hatagan na imong duaan.
Mom, you.
You. English mo, Noy.
Huwag ko pa itong balot eh. Pinoy ako napalit. 5 sa ko. Sunod na lang mukha eh.
It's so good. No.
Oo, tita Pangga.
You want? Why? Why you don't want?
Liso ka na. What? I'm coming. Hindi mo naman nag-i-upload si Mama.
Hello, guys. Let's eat my favorite.
What's your favorite?
What's it?
And buwan?
No.
What? You don't like buwan?
No.
What do you want? Chicken?
No.
Oh, you just like pancit?
No.
Jollibee?
No.
What do you want then?
Fruits.
Fruits? Dragon fruit?
Who eats your dragon fruit?
Do.
Oh no! Let's eat. Bon appetit!
Let's eat.
Let's eat!
Let's eat. Come on.